Damn, what I do now?
Do all the fucking same, eh? I see it on television, I read it in books, I hear it in music. Do all the same. Fuck this, fuck that. Well, fuck you!
Baby, I'm sorry.
I gave to you as a woman. No! No more! From now on, we just business partners, okay?
Hey, if that's how you want it, but I mean, you breaking my heart.
I'm warning you. I'm in a really bad fucking mood. Today, I kill everybody who fucks with me. Especially you. Move! I feel good today. Like a woman reborn.
Huh? Cool. Maybe you won't go berserk, huh?
Oh, I go berserk, but not until I really piss.
Oh, well, that's a relief to hear.
Perhaps this time no cowboy motherfuckers will get in our way.
Amen to that.
Come on, drive.
What's wrong?
Nothing, I just hate men.
Well, give me a break.
Here's your break. Your break is you're not on my barbecue being eaten.
Well, that's one way of looking at shit, I suppose.
Now, try to be a man this time. Drive, lover. I hope you drive better this time around.
You ever driven a quad? It ain't easy. Especially when you got a screaming bitch on the back shooting past your ear.
I like it when you angry at me, Carl. I will try to anger you more often.
Now that, I'm looking forward to.
You're on crowd control, so don't take any shit.
Yes'm, Miss Catalina, miss. Don't even think about doing anything, motherfucker.
Hand over every last dollar! Now, bitch! I'm going to empty the safe. Keep these idiots covered.
All right, you heard the lady. No heroic shit. Yeah, it's done. Oh, shit!
Shit! I gave you one simple job! Idiota!
Attention all units. Some psychos are robbing the bank at Palomino Creek.
Shit! I just bought another donut. Don't criminals have any consideration? We can collect that bribe later. Might as well go and take a look. We know you're in there. The game's up. Come on out. Come out. Real peaceable like. Don't lose.
Smash the ATMs and get as much cash as possible.
Give up. You're surrounded.
Quick, we haven't much time.
You got a problem with me having this?
Better take the back door. Follow me. Cops, take cover.
Fuck you.
Thought you might drive the back way. We were waiting for you. Give up. You're surrounded.
Look out, Carl. Pick it up a little. You restarted us. And follow me! Do you think you can keep up with a real woman? What's keeping you?
You shit bastard!
Are you afraid of speed, Carl? Getting lost! You're too laid back, you lazy slob! Take me home now, big man!
How we do?
Is that all you care about? Money?
No, but I really need the paper.
You revolt me. You make my skin crawl.
Well, I ain't crazy about you either.
That's just it! How little you know! Don't talk! Let us enjoy the peace and quiet. Come on, Carl, move it! There you go.
Thanks.
One day, Carl Johnson, you will realize she truly loved me, and your heart will break in two. But you are more like the spiny lizard than a man. Goodbye.
Hey, Holmes, I've been busy.
Caesar, what's up?
I can smell Notch's archetype from a mile off. Racing, my friend. Cars, not beautiful cars, but fast, man, fast.
What are you talking about?
Street racers from San Fierro. They meet out here to tear up the blacktop. No chota choppers. You want to make some money?
Does the Pope shit in the woods?
Why you keep asking me that, Holmes? I told you, I don't know. What the Holiness does his business is his business. Just get a fast car and meet me in Kendall just south of Montgomery. See you, man.